Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your cursor on your LG TV using your Magic Remote. And this is pretty basic. Now there's no setting where you can just completely turn it off. What you want to do is simply just use the little D-pad button around the scroll wheel. So if you press and use the scroll wheel right here, you're going to see the cursors on the screen. But if you use this little round button, you can just go up and down and it'll go away. So you can select everything on the home screen just by simply cycling through everything. And then you can hit OK by selecting that middle button in. And you never have to see the scroll wheel on your screen. So if you use this up and down, the cursor will show up. If you just go up and down on this middle button, well, it's going to disappear. And then it won't be on your screen anymore. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.